In this video, I want to show you how to transfer your videos from your DJI Osmo Action 6 camera to your computer. Could be a Mac or PC, it doesn't matter. So step number one is, open the USB Type-C port on the camera. If you look at it from the back, it's right over here on the left. So push the small latch in the direction of the arrow and then pull it down. Now that the door is unlocked, it will reveal the USB Type-C port. You can take the cable that comes included with the DJI camera, or you can take any USB Type-C cable that allows data transfer. So I'll go ahead, connect this end over here. Now, if you want to transfer files with a USB cable, the camera needs to be turned on and you need to select USB on the screen. You can turn on the camera at this point, or you can turn it on after connecting it to your computer. And this is what I will do. So I'll simply take the cable, connect it in the USB Type-C port of my PC, could have been a Mac. Now the camera is off currently. This is why it's simply charging using the battery of the computer. But if I turn it on, wait a few seconds, it will give me the choice to select File Transfer USB. This is where you need to tap. And now you're going to see Connected. So set the camera aside. And on your PC or Mac, simply open the Files app where you usually manage all your files. If we take a look, I'll go down. I'll see Osmo Action. This is my Osmo Action 6. If I go into the DCIM folder, then click this folder, I'll have all the pictures and all the videos that are currently in the internal memory of my camera. If you want to see the files and pictures that are on the SD card that you have inserted inside of the camera, then you're going to have SD card right over here that you can click, and the same thing, you may have some files over here, so they're separate. You simply have to copy paste them on your computer, and this is about it. Once you're done doing this transfer, simply unplug it. You may have to eject it on a Mac. I know they still like to do that. Remove the cable, and this is about it. Next time you're doing this, let me just show you. Okay, let me connect it here and connect it back. It will say File Transfer, the last option you have selected, and you won't even have to tap on that option. It will give you a countdown, and if you don't touch the screen, it will automatically go into File Transfer. So this is about it. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.